Hi everyone, Keyless Andrew here. Today I'm just doing a video, sort of a feature video. It's a LOTO lock, but it's not a LOTO lock Tuesday video. It's just I've been waiting for this lock for a long time from my Lockheed at Vale, and it's finally arrived. Well, he finally let me buy it. So this is the Lockwood Assa Abloy 215P40 lockout tagout lock. Now this thing is a bit of a beast. So it's got a brass shackle. It's a 6-pinner. The bitting on it is radical. I've tried to pick this and I cannot pick it. I'm going to gut this for you, and these are guttable, and I'm going to show you because I reckon these are the best LOTOs in the world. That's my argument. So they are key retaining, a little bit different. So it's got a dead core, but it has got a spring shackle. So boop, springs up like that. And that brass, nice brass, and the blue as well, just goes so well together. So it is key retaining as well. I'm just going to gut it to show you the secrets that it has inside, and why I think it's really hard to pick. So I'll just do an example in a second. So this thing here was really hard to pick. This is a Lockwood Assa Abloy rim cylinder, and this is the bitting on it. It's only a 5-pinner, so it's pretty challenging bitting, but once you get past that gatekeeper, it's not too bad. This took me 20 minutes to pick on camera, and I think this was for Chris Capune's giveaway. I'm pretty sure. It might have been. Yeah. Anyway, so this is a 5-pinner. Took me 20 minutes to pick, and it's full of those Assa Abloy spools, right? This is a 6-pinner, and core comes out like this. So that's the internals. Core comes out like this to reveal a 334 core. Let me get zoom in there, or not, we'll get focus. 334 core. So instead of having the metal, it's got the plastic, black plastic, as you can see. And it's got the threading on there. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, a 334 core. That sort of tailpiece. Yeah, but I will show you the internals because they are interesting, and explains why I had so much trouble picking it. So I haven't picked it open yet. I've only had it a day or two, and I've had no time really to spare, but I've given it a few shots, and yes, it's the hardest LOTO that I've picked, or haven't picked actually, because I haven't picked it. So it's definitely the hardest LOTO that I've attempted by far. And this just could be me, but this is my little argument that it is, because I can't pick it, alright? No, I'm sure you'll agree once you see inside. I mean, combined with the bitting and everything else, it doesn't go in all the way for some reason. But I have gutted this before, and I got quite the shock. There we go, shouldn't goes in now because I didn't have the key turned. That's smart, that's called fatigue, people. Need some more sleep. So, get a follower, push through. So unlike the pink 215A40s that have an aluminium body and a pin to 5, this is pinned to 6. And that's the bitting. So I'll just dump these key pins. So that's basically how you have to pick it. Yep, alright. So I'm just going to dump these key pins. I'll do this upside down. Keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they are all tapered key pins. There's nothing special about the core or anything like that. Well, not that I've actually looked at it, but I will quickly have a look. No, just a normal standard 334 core. Pretty much like this one here, just a different keyway. Same spacing, all the rest. This one's got it like the inserts for the carbon rods for drill protection, and same back, same, you know, change different tail pieces and stuff like that. But yes, but the part that really got me were the drivers. I'll just arrange these key pins and show you the bitting. Beautiful tapered key pins, some long ones down the back, and yes, the drivers. So driver 1 is an Assa spool. Driver 2 is an Assa spool. I think you're getting the picture now. All Assa spools, all 6. Which it took me 20 minutes to pick a 5-pinner. Just imagine how long it would take me to pick a 6-pinner with that bitting. Yes, but I want to get it for a LOTO Lock Tuesday, and it might take me all of a Tuesday to pick it, but there's a springy. So this is a brand newie X display. So they've got rid of their old stock, and he sold me some locks that were on the display that he didn't have to send back to Lockwood. So I just want to show you this quickly and why I think it's in contention for the best LOTO in the world, in my opinion. So look at these Assa spools there. Is that coming up? Yeah, look at those fine lips on all of them. If you ever picked Assa Abloy with those Assa spools, they're devious. Look at that bitting. So you've got 2 there, and look at 3, just a tiny pin, 4 tiny pin. So yeah, and yeah, it is guttable, so it's fully guttable, fully guttable LOTO as well. I think that's a great feature, easy to gut. So that's the actuator back there, as you can see. Beautiful brass shackle, just nice colour. Yeah, so this is the 215P40. So P for plastic, I got the 215, A40, A for aluminium. And I've got another red one here, which has got a little bit less aggressive bitting, but it's still pinned to 6 with the spools. So yes, that is just my little video, just to show the Lockwood Assa Abloy. There that goes. I'll put that back in a second. Yeah, I'll put that back now because the ball. I'll put that back in a second. Full disassembly. There we go. Let's get rid of the ball bearings and everything. So it's got double ball bearings. There's one there. Yes, that's fully disassembled. The other one doesn't want to come out. A bit stuck in there. I can't see him hanging out. Trust me, there's another ball bearing in there. You can probably see it in there, just in the top. It's got a bit of grease on him. I wonder if this black part comes out too. Just try to tug on it and see if that body will come out. Maybe it's plastic welded, or... No, that will not come out. So this part will not come out, and you can see the shackle spring inside of the body there. So quite an interesting lock. Quite an interesting LOTO lock. One of the most interesting I have seen. And yes, there's a brass shackle, it's all the pieces, actuator, everything's there. Just a really interesting LOTO, I thought. Just thought I'd share it with you guys. And yes, please comment, let me know what you think of this style of LOTO. I've never seen one like this, that you can fully gut and take apart to this extent. Apart from the Brady compact 32.5mm, you can take out the ball bearings and everything as well, but it didn't have spools in it. That's for sure. Anyway guys, that's all I have for you today. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.